class? So everyone stand up, and Joanne, please lead the prayer. Amen. So, once again, good morning class. How are you today? That's good to hear. So who is absent today? Very good. So before we start, we will have a classroom rules. So these rules represent the word rules. So what is rules? So R represent with raise your hand before you speak. So kailangan nyo, bago nyo magsalita or bago kayo magsalita, you need to raise your hands. Raise your hands, and once na tinawag kayo ng teacher, doon lang kayo pwedeng magsalita or pwedeng magtanong. Second is the use appropriate language when you are speaking or answering. So, and by that, your teacher and your students will understand kung ano nga ba yung gusto nyong sabihin. Especially if nag-answer kayo ng question. Next is listen attentively. So you need to listen carefully kung ano nga ba ang ating lesson for today. So, and by that, you will be able to answer some question after our discussion. Next is enjoy the lesson. So you need to enjoy, have fun, and engage with our lesson for today. And lastly is stay focused and follow instruction. So, you need to focus sa lesson, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, para masagutan nyo pagkatapos ng ating lesson ang mga questions and follow instruction para hindi pa ulit-ulit si teacher sa pag-discuss. Naiintindihan ba? Kung ganon, ay bigyan nyo ng palakpak ang inyong sarili. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So, but before that, I want you to know who am I. I am Teacher Giselle Tejero, your music teacher for today. So, let's proceed to our learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, the student, you should be able to identify the sounds heard in the surroundings. Second is differentiate sounds from the silent. And lastly, tell things that produce sounds and things that doesn't not. Okay, now let's proceed to our lesson. But before that, we will have a short and excitement game. Are you excited? Very good that you are excited. So this game called Listen Carefully. So the instruction of this game is first, the student should close their eyes for 10 seconds. Next is they will listen to the sounds. Yung sounds na yon is ipi-play ng teacher. And lastly is the students will guess what's the sound is it. So for example, is sounds ng bus. So they need to say na sounds ng bus yung naririnig nila. Also, magpapakita ako ng picture and huhulaan nyo kung ano ang picture na ito. Naiintindihan ba? First, ano ang narinig nyo dito? Yes, Sandara? Very good. It is a bell. What about this one? Yes, Hershey? Very good. It is a radio. Lastly, did you hear any sounds? Yes, Johnny? No, because there is no sounds. Very good, class. So now let's proceed to a picture. So I'm gonna show a picture and you need to say if the picture have a sound or not. So first picture, What is in the picture again? Radio. And it's have a sound. So our topic for today is all about sounds and silence. But before that, what is sounds? So sounds is a type of energy made by vibration. It is also what we hear when something makes noise. So ang sounds daw ay yung mga bagay na naririnig natin or may nilalabas na ingay. Additionally, ang sounds ay mayroong dalawang klase, ang soft at ang loud. Soft means kalmado at loud is sobrang lakas na tunog. Here's some example of sounds, bell and radio. Let's proceed to the silence. Silence means no sound or very quiet. It is the anatonym or kabaliktaran ng sound. So, meaning ang silence ay hindi siya nagpo-produce ng sounds or wala kang naririnig na kahit na anong sounds. So, here is some example of silence. First is pencil and the second one is bug. Since hindi sila nagpo-produce ng sounds. So, always remember na kapag sounds ay nagpo-produce ng noise, at kapag silent naman ay hindi or does not. Did you understand? Now that you understand the lesson, let's proceed to the generalization. So what is sounds again? Producing noise. What about silence? Silence means quiet or did not produce sounds. Why does silence important in school? Because it helps your teacher to discuss clearly and also para mas maintindihan nyo yung lesson. So what are the things that produce sounds? Can you give me some example? Television, radio, and even person can produce sounds. So what about things that does not produce sounds? Can you give me some example? Very good. Your watch, table, pencil, and etc. Did you understand? So now let's proceed to your activity. So in your activity, put red color if it is a sound and blue if it is silent. And for your assignment that will pass by tomorrow, just put check if it is sound and X if it is silent. Do you have any question? None. And if it is none, this is our end of our discussion. Thank you.